think some of you, it's either you're from really, really disruptive homes, or you really are just not at peace with yourself, or you just don't like makuthulekile kungekho umsindo, you know. I'm seeing so many comments and people trying to drag me, saying ukuthi I was bengigudla uPhenintuli when I was posting about people on the N3, and also saying ukuthi cela ningapost negative things, because it would be nice to encourage people to stay positive at a time like this. So here's the thing. When I write on my status, I write on my status because that's how I feel and that's what I'm thinking at that time. But to some of you, you think I sit there and I go on Facebook and I look at his status Penny, and I'm like, oh, what is Penny saying? Okay, let me quickly go and write something that's going to be against what she's saying. You know, when I wrote that people must write positive things, because when I came on my status, a lot of people just wrote, so-and-so is dead, so-and-so is dead. And I put myself in those shoes of Labantu Balap. I'm like, I wouldn't want to read this on my status at a time like this. And then suddenly it takes a quick 360 and it's now about me, because some of you are saying, one, I'm jealous, I want her followers, I want her love that you people are giving her, and mina naye azwani. Okay, so here's the thing. Upenny wasn't the only one that was writing about people dying. I remember after updating, I saw a couple of comments ngibone eyamandla Chris ngabone yaSithembiso Mngoma, but none of you are saying ukuthi ngoba ngibhala ukuthi people mustn't write negative things ngikhuluma ngosithe or ngikhuluma ngo Mandla Chris. How did you jump from everyone else and you ran to Penintuli? So everyone else was writing negative. Second to that, I'm generally not a person not you know. I think I have balls. I think I'm not a coward. If I want to say something about someone, I don't remember myself. Mhlambe makhona enimaziyo nini enake nambona mhlambe ngibhala status ngaye ngithi ngiyamgudla ngicela ningikhumbuze kambuzo kakuba, because I don't think I'm that uncomfortable with myself ukuthi ngingangena ku Facebook ukugudla abantu. Second to that, to address the idea that some of you think ukuthi mhlambe I'm on Facebook because I'm fighting for followers or because ngifuna uthando. One, I always encourage people, even now I'm going to encourage you, if I'm not your cup of tea, if my content is not what you like, kindly do yourself a favor and unfollow me. Even if the numbers drop to 50,000 followers from 300 and something thousand, I am going to be more than content, because I'm not sitting here begging people to follow me because Hlampe following puts money in my account, or being followed Hlampe makes me feel some type of way or boost my ego. I don't need to be followed for petty reasons like increasing numbers. If I wanted to, I'd actually have a Facebook page, because numbers are easier to get if you have a page on Facebook and not an account. Also, the idea that nithi umuntu ufuna ukuthanda. Guys, I love and appreciate people. Generally, everyone who knows you, knows me and is in my circle, whether my friends or my family, they'll tell you I love them. But I don't go on the internet seeking love, because there's no love on the internet. You guys can't even love abantu bagini enzalwa nabo. You can't even love your friends that you see every day. Ngiyubani ke mina ukuthi ngaze ngifuna ukuthanda abantu engabazi abangangazi. I go home when I need love. You know, I've got children in Zala, I've got children in Ngazali. All of them are my children. I've got a husband, I've got family, I've got in-laws. If ever I feel like that you think I need love, trust me, the internet is the last place I'd come for uthando, because I know how people are so shallow. Angilincengi uthando. That's why angeke ngize ngisho mina into ezohambisana nabantu just because I know ukuthi bazongishayela izandla when I say something that they want to hear. Yabo? I appreciate people who love me. I love people who love me. I show them appreciation back. But I'm not going to be begging for uthando. That's the last thing I'm going to do, especially on the internet. Ngoba ngiyanazi ukuthi nenkinga zenu abanye beni ngeke ngize nginicela ukuthi nizothanda mina. Take lolo thando, love your friends, love your family, love God, love people that you work with. If it makes the world a better place, do it, please. If taking that love away from me means you're giving it to someone who's more deserving, by all means, I beg you to do it. Also, with this whole Penny Ntuli thing, I want to find out from you how you guys jumped from the fact that there were people who were saying, "Ukuthi, no, anga comment because nama influencer nihlakaniphile influencers ngiyabona ama influencers into abayikhulumayo." I was the one that went on Facebook and said, you know, kanti nifuna senzeni? Must we keep quiet? Masithule siya complain. Masikhuluma futhi niya complain. What must we do? Second to that, kwaba abanye bathi bastake kanjani abantu kwisnow blah 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 blah. Ngababona abanye also criticizing. Was I also not the one that said, stop saying this to people right now because it's not what they need, it's not necessary? But angusho lokho because it doesn't suit your agenda. The agenda that you're trying to push, ukuthi mina no pain, we've got a problem, we don't love each other. And the other thing that you guys do is that you want to bully people and then say you're bullying people because nenzela ukuthi labo bantu abamthanda pain. You guys bully everyone and then turn around and say it's because someone else akathandwa. How does that make sense? You know, make it make sense. I don't understand. You guys bullied Uneliso, literally, who did nothing but accept a job. Why on radio, whether opinion was in or out, but you bullied her because she got a job. Ubani phakathi kwenu ongakaze zalithatha ithuba lokuthola umsebenzi. Ubani omunye ongathanda ukuthi awondle umndeni wakhe. Now you are bullying uMinenhle because she said something about me. Manje, everyone must be bullied because you want to push that agenda that you want to push, that you created here in your head. Senze njani, guys? Phela uPenny mina ngimazi ku Facebook, ngimazi in real life. I work with her several times. Angimazi ku social media njengani. Mhlawumbe abanye benu bamgcina ku social media. Like in this industry, selokhu ngaba khona oyedwa umuntu mina kwaye wathiwa ngixabene naye. Umuntu esifazane ke futhi nje, I avoid fighting with women because I don't believe in it at all. I have young girls that I support all the time. Othabile Buthelezi, Othando Chisani, baningi, Olondiwe Lolo. I support those people with all my heart. But masisifuna ukupush agenda nithandayo, you turn around and you say ukuthi umuntu unomona because of what? Because you created something out of something that doesn't exist and now want me to feel like I'm something. If I'm jealous, guys, I'm jealous. Stop following me again because I'm jealous. Why do you want to badmouth me and make people and speak negatively about me and ruin my reputation, my time, because you want to push a certain agenda? If you mthanda more than me, by all means, guys, and give it to her. It's not a competition. Angazi mina ngene radio ngoba ngithi ngifuna ukuduma or ngifuna ukuba nama followers. Ngangene radio when I was 18 years old. I have loved radio since I was a child. Ngiyayithanda radio, and that's all that I know. On my show, I help people. People need help. I'm there. I don't help people because ngifuna ukubongwa yini. I help people more than you even know, things that I don't even share. Namhlanje mase ngifuna ukukhuluma ngamathanda nithi everything is always about me. Like, what do I get from helping people? Like, Connie trophy that I get, or is it an award or a poster or billboard that goes up in my name because I've helped people? Guys, you don't have to be rude because in time and support another person. Support lo nimsupportayo. Niphume kulo eningamthanda. It's that simple. Why must you push my agenda to try and get women to always be fighting each other all the time? Abanye benu badala. Abanye benu have to build homes. Abanye benu no mama. And the same thing in yenza manje. Enbenza kuthina nabanye izobenziwa kunina and your children. And you have to know that's what karma does. Karma always finds a way back to you for the things that you keep saying out of your mouth. I'm telling you, you know, mina kade nangiqala ningikhuluma nithi ngiyathanda ukukhuluma this and that. Angeke uzufike ku TikTok ufice umuntu kuthiwa hayi kodwa lo uhleze efaka ama video sesikhathela ama video akhe. Because people on TikTok, they know why I'm on TikTok. I'm on TikTok because I'm consuming content from the people that I follow. Then you go on Instagram, ngeke ufike Instagram to hayi lo uhleze post ithombe zakhe nokudla and ekswenkile and whatever. Nobody says that. Ufika on Twitter, people on Twitter are always talking. That's literally all there is to do. They talk. Angeke ufike TikTok ku Twitter to hayi lo uhleze ethanda ukukhuluma. You come on Facebook because you enjoy conversation. I'm a conversationalist. That's what I do. My page is about that. It's about talking. It's about conversation. It's about getting people to interact. But you come on Facebook, someone is saying, uyakuthanda ukukhuluma. Kanti guys, ngizeleni Facebook. Ngizokhuluma nje. That's exactly what I'm here for. Yabo. That's exactly what my page is about. It's about talking. If you don't like that, simple. Unfollow the page. Block me. Move on with your life. Be happy with who you are and what you're doing. We are too old to be talking. Guys, come on. Yabo mina selokhu ngabuya from emshadweni. Mhlawumbe ngaze ningibone ukuthi ngizibhalela ngezinto zama foreigners because that thing really gets to me. Because avoid zona lezi zinto zokukhuluma ngoba umuntu uhlezi nimcuphile. Yabo, so I've been talking about foreigners. Now the one time I decided to talk about encouraging people, bese wrong. Suddenly it becomes about everything that it's not. Now it's a competition. Like sometimes I wonder, I would say, do you guys really sit and think through the things that you say, or do you wake up in the morning and just want something negative to say because it excites you? Like Sabantu Nathi, at the end of the day, we are people. We have families. We have friends. We have people who know us personally. You can't just come and just say something about someone that doesn't even exist and creates it, and then you vume, and then it becomes real to you, and then you believe it. You know? Like I knew, Guti, bala anything, it's gonna be about umshado wami. You're gonna drag it. Oh, useshadile. Oh, her husband, oh, her children. Because that's the type of people that you are. And was Guti umuntu maniphikisana naye about a fact. Nikhulume about that fact until the end. No. We must drag her family, her friends, her kids, her hair. If they can't talk about Tugutu Mumbi, they can't talk about wisdom, they can't talk about Tugutu Fundi, they can't talk about you. So they find something that they're going to talk about. Guys, Nibadala, there's so much going on in the country that is wrong with this country for you to be busy focused on petty things like this, about creating fights between people. No, guys. That's cool in man. Seriously. I don't like talking about the negativity that you guys bring on Facebook because honestly, I couldn't care. I don't care. Talk. But honestly, Nani Pella, at a certain point in your lives, sit and think through the things that you say about people, you know? Think about the things that you're saying. Like, honestly, unfollow. It's that simple. Why is it so difficult for adults to learn such a simple concept? You don't like Jacinta. I'm not your type of person. I'm not your cup of tea. Unfollow me. I'm not begging you to follow me. I'm not out there desperate for likes or follows or what. I'm not. Even if I'm 3. But me, I have a conversation with people who enjoy having conversation because that's what I enjoy doing. And yeah, I'm competing with people for helping people. I've helped more people than some of you have even helped in your own families. So please don't come at me. Don't come at me, eh? Please. Anyways, I'm on radio right now. Listen to the show. Thank you.